Hello, today we will guide you through how to combine audio and video in CapCut. To begin, open the CapCut app and make sure you are on the main editing screen. If you are starting from the home page, just navigate into the editor so you can access your media and timeline. This is where you will bring your video and audio together. Next, open your sample project. This gives you a workspace where you can organize and edit your clips. If the project is already created, simply click to open it and wait for the editing layout to load fully. It helps to confirm that the timeline, media panel, and preview window are visible before moving on, since those are the areas you will be working with. Once the project is open, drag the sample video into the timeline. Place it in the main video track so it appears in the correct editing area. The timeline is the section where you arrange your content in the order it will play. So this step establishes the visual part of your combined clip. Try to drop it neatly at the point where you want the video to begin. After that, drag the sample audio into the timeline as well. Position it so it lines up with the video clip. In most cases, the audio will appear on an audio track beneath the video. This is important because correct placement helps keep the sound synced with what appears on screen. If needed, zoom in on the timeline for more precise alignment. Now select both the sample audio and the sample video. You want both clips highlighted at the same time because the next action will apply to them together. This tells CapCut that these two separate elements should be treated as one combined unit. If one clip is not selected, the compound action may not work as expected, so take a quick moment to verify both are active. With both clips selected, right-click and choose the option to create a compound clip. This combines the selected audio and video into a single grouped clip inside the timeline. That makes it easier to move, trim, and manage them together without accidentally shifting one out of sync with the other. It is especially useful when you want cleaner editing and better control over your project. Once that is done, your audio and video are successfully combined in CapCut. You can now continue editing with a more organized timeline and a single compound clip that keeps everything together.